Hello everyone, this is Harshit Sani. I welcome you all in the next lecture of 12th class NCERT Mathematics. In this video lecture, I'll discuss chapter number 4, determinant of exercise 4.1. So without further ado, let's get started. So what first question says, evaluate the determinant in the exercise first and second. Okay, so in both the question we need to evaluate this determinant. And determinant evaluation is, I'll tell you, if you have any matrix A, entries are B, C, D. Okay, it is 2 cross 2 matrix you have. Then for corresponding to this matrix, square matrix, corresponding to this square matrix, we have a real number. And that real number, how we can find that real number? Denoted by this one. Okay, or you can represent it by like that also. How we can find AD minus BC for 2 cross 2. Okay, as A, B, C, D here are real number. A, B, C and D all are here real number. So AD minus BC also a real number. So this is the real number. This is the real number which is associated by this matrix. Okay, and this real number is called the determinant of that matrix A. So by this process we can find the determinant. So here the determinant of this above is 2 into minus 1 and minus 4 into minus 5. How would we get? Minus 2, 4, 5, 20, minus 18. I hope you understand. Okay, so move on to the next one. Here in second question we have to find, evaluate this determinant and this determinant. Okay, so what we get? Cos square theta plus sine square theta we get, and we get 1. And here x plus 1 multiply with x square minus x plus 1. Okay, and minus of x plus 1 into x minus 1 we have. Now we need to use distributive law. So x multiply with x square minus x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1. Okay, and minus here we have x square minus 1. Okay, so here we will get x cube minus x square plus x after multiplying, and here what we get? X square minus x plus 1 minus x square plus 1. Okay, so x cube minus x square, let me check, x cube minus x square plus x, and here we have x square minus x plus 1. Okay, minus x plus 1. Okay, so here we can observe that by this x square cancel. Okay, by this one x cancel. Okay, so what we get? X cube minus x square plus 2 we get. Okay, so I hope you understand how we can solve the determinant of two sides 2 cross 2. Okay, now we need to move on the next question. Actually here we are discussing this third question of exercise 4.1. Now what they are saying, that this is our matrix A. Okay, and they are saying we need to prove this one. That is, first of all we need to evaluate this 2A, and we need to find this determinant, that is our LHS. Okay, and after that we have a RHS also we have, and what it will be? Find first of all determinant of A and then multiply with 4. Actually it is a property that if you have any k, okay, k belongs to your real number, non-zero real number we can take, and also real number we can take, it's our choice. So, and A is any, what we have, Aij n cross n matrix. Okay, Aij n cross n matrix we have. Then they are saying that if you multiply this k with A and finding the determinant, then it is equal to the k raised to the power n, the size of the matrix A, into determinant of A. That is the proof. Okay, so what they are saying actually, 2 time determinant of A, we need to prove it as 2 square determinant of A. This thing we need to show. Okay, now how we can prove? Obviously, first of all, LHS I need to take. So LHS, if I need to take, then A we have, so 2A I need to find, and 2A means that 2 is multiply with each entry of A. So here 2, here 4, here 8, and here again 4. So this is first equation. Okay, no, this one not first. After that I will need to find the determinant. So what we got determinant? 8 minus 4, it is a 32. So what we get here? 2 and 6, 24 we get. Minus 24 we get. Okay. Here we get minus 24. This one we can assume the first equation. Okay. Now you can observe that we need to find the determinant of A first of all. That is, this is our LHS. Okay, which we evaluate. And here I am evaluating RHS from here. Okay, so RHS is first of all determinant of A. We need to find determinant of A is 2 minus 8. What will be? Minus 6. Okay, and 4 into determinant of A will be minus 24. This is equation 2. So from equation first and second, from equation first and second, what we have, that 2 times determinant of A, 2A, determinant of 2A is equal to the 4 times, or we can say 2 square precisely. 2 square determinant of A, that is 4A, and hence proved. Okay, I hope you understand this property. This property we can use also in MCQ. Okay, because on this property there are a good type of MCQ will be formed. Now what here says in a question number 4, you have a matrix 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4 and show that determinant of 3A is equal to the 27 time determinant of A. Again same thing we need to do. So here we have, actually it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, it is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So I will, first of all I will give you a thumb rule for any matrix of size 3 cross 3. Suppose you have, this is A11, this is A12, this is A13, okay, and A21 position, A22 position, this is A23 position, this is A31 position, A32 position, and A33 position. It is 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, how many entries inside? No, 9 entries we have inside. Okay, so first of all, we need to observe that which row or column. I'll tell you in short. Okay, so that your question will be completed. Here first of all observe that which row or which column contain the, which row or which column contain the maximum number of zeros. Okay, you need to expand along that row or column. So here you can observe that the A matrix you have here, entries are 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4 you have. Okay, so observe that in the third row or the first column, third row or the first column has maximum number of 0, that is 2. Okay, so either you can expand determinant of A along the along the third row or the first column, it's your choice. Okay, now next thing is how we can expand. If I am expanding along the first row or second row, third row, or the first column, second column, third column, how we can expand? So the determinant of A is, first of all you need to take A11, then corresponding cofactor is C11 plus A12, corresponding cofactor is C12 plus A13, and corresponding cofactor is C13. That is the determinant of A, what we get. Okay, and what is Cij? Cij is minus 1 raised to the power I plus j mij. What is mij? Mij is the minor. Mij, what is Mij? Mij is the minor which obtained, Mij is the minor which obtained after after deleting ith row and jth column, ith row and jth column from the matrix, from the matrix. It is the minor. But what is actually minor? Actually, this minor means determinant. Okay, what we have? Determinant. Okay, determinant which obtained after deleting ith row and jth column from the matrix. So, if we are evaluating along the second column, second row, then A21 into C21 plus A22 into C22 plus A23 into C23. Same as that along the third row. And along the first column, second column, third column, we can find like that, okay. But here we are evaluating along the first column, okay. And one more thing I need to add here, determinant of A along the first row, second column, or third, first row, second row, third row, or first column, second column, third column, the determinant is remain unchanged. That is, if you are finding determinant along the first row, determinant along the second row, determinant along the third row, all values are same, okay. So it means that for any matrix, the determinant value is always unique. It doesn't mean uh, it, we doesn't have like that for given matrix we have two value of determinant, okay. So for each matrix we have a unique value of determinant. So here the determinant of A is 1 into first 1 we have and C11 plus I am finding along this one 0 into C21 plus 0 into C31 31 sorry 31, but we observe that 0 into something is 0, so this part is also 0 and this part is 0, and here we get C11. So actually the determinant of A is actually C11. And what is C11? C11 is equal to the minus 1 is to the power 2 M11. So it is equal to the M11, determinant of A. So here determinant of A is M11, M11. So M11 is remove the first row and the first column. What we get? 4 actually we get. So determinant of A is 4 we get. Now what we need to find? This is like I assume first equation. What we need to find? We need to prove that 3 of A, determinant of 3 of A equal to 27, determinant of A. Okay, 3 of A. It means I need to find the 3 of A. Okay. Okay, here I have left less pages. Okay, I'll rub this one because I already give you method. Now, listen. Yeah, here we can observe that this is determinant of A I find here. Okay, now what is 3 of A? The 3 of A means again we need to multiply 3 to each entry of A. 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 3 fours are 12 we get. Okay, so this is our 3A. And what is the determinant of 3 of A? This is our LHS side. Okay, LHS I am evaluating here. This is RRHS. Okay, I will tell you. Determinant of 3 of A will be, I'll expand along the first column again. So 3 times 12 into 3, or we can say 3 times C11 actually. Okay, other rest of them is C21, 0 into C31. Okay, so this is 3 times C11. Now this one is 0 and this one is also 0. So we have 3 into C11 we get. Okay, now what is C11? 3 times minus 1 is to the power 2 M11. So here we get 3 times M11. And what is M11? It is after deleting the first row or first column, after deleting the first row or first column, this value we get, and we need to find that, we need to take determinant of this one. Okay, I hope you understand this thing, what we need to do here. Okay, wait, this is 3. Okay, so here we get 3 we have already, 12 3s are 36. Okay, 12 3 are 36, 3 6 are 18, 1 3 3 are 9, or 1 10, 108 we get. Okay, this is determinant of 3 of a. Now what I need to do here, this is our RHS I said. Okay, and from, for which I need to multiply by 27. Okay, by 27 I need to multiply, so 27 into determinant of a. Actually this is, I'll tell you, this is 3 raised to power 3 into determinant of a, that is 27 determinant of a, 27 into 4, again we get 108. Okay, so LHS equal to RHS, hence these things are satisfied. This is our RHS. Okay, this thing we need to do in exam if it came to prove that these things are equal. Okay, first of all 3 into a you need to do, then finding the determinant, and then a you have already determinant of a, and finding this value, and you get this one, L, hence LHS equal to the RHS. Now move to the next question. Now same thing as we are did already in the third and fourth question, same thing I need to do here. So what they are saying that evaluate the determinants. It is 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3, everywhere we have a 3 cross 3 determinant. Okay, and you need to observe that these determinants are corresponding to some special type of matrices. That thing you need to observe. Okay, so I'll do this question. Okay, rest of them, second, third and fourth you need to do, that is homework. Okay, this is your homework question, this is also your homework question. Okay, and this is also your homework question. Okay, so I'll do this one, and I'll now observe that what I said. First of all, you need to observe either you have 2 cross 2 determinant or you have a 3 cross 3 determinant. Okay, what you need to observe that which row or which column contain the maximum number of zeros. So you observe that here the second row contain the maximum number of zero, so we need to expand this determinant along the second row. Okay, so but here you observe that corresponding to which matrix this determinant came, corresponding to a, I'll assume it is a, 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 3 minus 5 0, corresponding to this matrix the determinant came. Okay, so for this matrix how we can find, how we can expand this determinant along the second row. So determinant of a we can represent it as, and we need to 0 into position is, the position of this one is C21, position of this one is C22, the position of this one is, sorry, this position is 21 position, 22 position, 23 position. Okay, so this one is 23 position, so C21 element into the position is cofactor of C22, cofactor of 22 position. Okay, and minus 1 into the cofactor of the 23 position. Now this is 0, this is 0, and this is minus C23. Okay, and minus of minus 1 is to the power 2 plus 3 5 m23. Okay, and here what we get, m23 exactly. Okay, so actually the determinant of above determinant is actually equal to the m23 minor of 2 3, that is from in this matrix, wait, in this matrix we need to uh, remove the second row. Okay, and the third column I remove, so what we get, minor m23 value, what we get, m23 value is 3 minus 1 3 minus 5 we get. Okay, and what is the value, minus 15 plus 3 minus 12 we get m23. Okay, so from both the equation what we have, the determinant of a will be equal to the minus 12 we have. Okay, I hope you understand this question. So rest of the second, third and fourth, it's your homework. You need to do some hard work, okay, to learn something. Same thing we need to do in the sixth question also. Let me, I'll do this question. Now here they are directly saying that we need to find determinant of A. Okay, but you observe that one thing, that here there is no zero, no inclusion of zero. Okay, so you need to expand the determinant as usual we have for the matrix A. Okay, so I'll try to expand the determinant along the first row. Okay, now determinant of A we need to find. Okay, determinant of A we need to evaluate. So what will the determinant along first row? Expand. We are expanding the determinant along the first row. Determinant of A will be 1, 1, minus 3, 4, minus 9. Okay, after that we have, I'm writing directly here. Okay, let me, okay, I will write in proper way. Wait. Determinant of A is A11, C11, A12, C12, A13, wait, A13, C13. What is A11? 1. What is A12? Also 1. What is A13? That is minus 2. Okay. Now what is C11? C11 is minus 1 is to the power 2 M11. It means it is M11. What is C12? Minus 1 is to the power 3 M12. It is M12 will get. And here C13 minus 1 is to the power 1 plus 3 4 M13, that is M13. So actually the from first now from first what we have, the determinant of A will be 1 into M11, okay, minus M12, okay, plus 1 into minus M12. I need to write in a proper manner now. Okay, and here we have plus minus 2 into M13. So actually what we have, M11 minus M12 minus 2 M13. Okay, now what is M11? Now here I need to find what is M11. M11 is, wait, M11 value is determinant of, by removing the first row and first column, 1 minus 3 4 minus 9. So minus 9 plus 4 3 are 12, because plus will be there, and what we get 3. Okay, this is your second equation. Now minus times first row second column. First row second column you need to remove. What we get, 2 minus 3 5 minus 9. Okay, and here we get minus will be outside, minus 18 and plus 5 3 is 15. Okay, so what we get from here also we get 3. That is third equation. Okay, and here we get first row we need to remove second column, so we get 2 1 5 4. So 4 to the 8 minus 5, and also from here 3. So this is our fourth equation. So here we can observe that 3 3 3 we get. Okay, 3 3 we get 3 minus 3 6. Okay, okay, so 3 3 cancel, minus 6, determinant of A will be 6 minus 6. Okay, this is our answer. If there is some problem in a calculation, you can check one time. Okay, but the method is I hope you the method is clear. Okay, because here there is no zero is there. Okay, so that's why I'm evaluating along the first row, or it is you can expand this determinant along the first column also, but you can see along the first row or the second column it is good enough. Why? Because one is there as an element. Okay, so it is very easy to do like that thing. Otherwise you can expand as usual, it's your choice. Okay, so here what they are saying in next question, question number 7. Yeah, find the values of x if we have this thing and this thing. Actually, in these questions, question number 7 and I think question number 8 also we have same thing. Yeah, question number 7 also we have things. Okay, find the values of x. Actually, they are saying that for what value of x these two determinants, this is one determinant, this is a two determinant, these are same. Actually, we can observe that this is also real number we get, and this from here we get an expression, quadratic expression we get from here if we are solving. So ultimately we get a quadratic equation. Okay, so ultimately we need to find the values of x for which satisfy the given quadratic equation. So in a class 11th what we are did that we have a quadratic equation and we need to find, suppose we have a quadratic equation a x square plus bx plus c, okay, equal to 0, in which a is non-zero, b comma c belongs to real number. If we have this quadratic equation, so either you can do splitting the middle term or we can apply our evergreen method, minus b plus minus square root of d upon 2a, where d is greater than 0, less than 0, or equal to 0. We have three choice, and on the basis of three choice we have a different things. Okay, so here we need to do like that thing. Now first I will evaluate this one, and this one is your homework. Okay, so first this one evaluate. So left hand side is 2 minus 5 for the 20. This first one solution. Okay, 2 minus 20 equals to 2 x square 4 6 are 24. Okay, now here we have 2 x square minus 24 plus 20 minus 2 equal to 0. So 2 x square minus what we get, minus 4 minus 2 equal to 0. So here we get 2 x square minus 6 equal to 0, and from here we get x square minus 3 equal to 0. Now observe that it is a quadratic equation. Okay, so it means by fundamental of algebra what we have, that if we have any n degree polynomial equation, then it has exactly n roots, maybe real, maybe complex. Okay, but here we can observe that the values of x equal to the plus minus root 3 we have. Okay, now how we can get this thing? Okay, I will explain each and every step. X minus root 3 we have, and here we have x plus root 3. Okay, equal to 0. So either this is 0 or this is 0. If from here we get two equations, two roots, that is plus minus root 3. Okay, now this one is your homework. Okay, you need to complete by yourself because it is very easy. Okay, now I need to complete the last question of this exercise. Okay, so here we have, again we need to find the values of x, value of x or values of x, I don't know. Okay, we will check. Here we need to find the value of x which satisfy the above equation, and they are giving equation in the form of determinant. Okay, so here we have x square minus 18 to the 36 equal to 36 minus 18 to the 36. What they said, x square minus 36 equal to 6 at 36 minus 18 36. Okay, so here they are giving 0, and here we have x square minus 36. Now again it is a quadratic equation. Okay, if it is a quadratic equation, then it has exactly two roots, maybe equal, maybe distinct. Okay, So here we can observe, can we write 36 as 6 square? Okay, and here we have x plus 6 and x minus 6 equal to, wait, x minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, either this one is 0 or this one is 0. So from here we have x equal to plus minus 6. So I hope you understand this question. Okay, eighth question. After I think this is the last question. Okay, I hope you understand all the questions. Okay, if you have any doubt, then you can do comments and you can ask me. Okay, I will definitely try to resolve your query. Okay, thank you for watching.